welcome to my crib.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I l
So, when you first enter my room, this is what you see. First, I'm gonna start with my little nightstand thing. This is really like a TV stand or storage shelf or whatever. It's not a TV. My mom used it as a TV stand, but that's besides the point. I just have a couple of books here with my camera charger on top of it. This one is You Are a Badass, and this one is Milk and Honey. I'm currently reading this one. Next to it, I just have my jewelry and glasses and earrings and my Fitbit. Then here is my plant, my fake plant. All of my plants in my room are fake because, like most people, I probably can't keep a real plant alive. This one I got from Marshall's. And then I just keep my phone right here. Down here I have a little storage case or tray or whatever, and I just keep the couple of nail polishes that I have, gift cards that I haven't used. I have picture frame hangers right here. I have my vitamins, my lotion, my class ring is in this box here. Then I have my 2 medications that I have to take. I just keep my perfumes right here. Moving on to the next shelf, I have my Pandora bracelet here. This is my case to keep my laptop charger in when I'm traveling. These are 2 candles from Bath and Body Works. It will be Noel, and this one is pumpkin pecan waffles. And then I just like to keep 2 magazines here for decoration. They are both Vogue magazines. This one has Lupita on it, and this one has what is this girl's name? Jennifer Lawrence. My floor lamp is, I believe my sister, she bought this for me when I moved into this room. I believe it is from Walmart. These lights here are from Amazon. Are beautiful at night, and even during the day they're really nice. So moving on to my bed. So blanket that I kind of use as a throw blanket is from either Walmart or JCPenney. This gray like comforter is from Overstock. This black pillow here is it came from Burlington in a set for my red comforter that I had in my old room, and I just threw it on this bed because I didn't know what to do with it. This white fluffy pillow here is from Target. That one is actually, oh my gosh, my voice. That pillow right there is actually my nephew's pillow that he just uses because it's small. I won that at Jamie Buster's. So this one, this body pillow here, it's really supposed to have a case on it, but I just kind of like the floral design, so I keep it. This is from Burlington's. That is my bed. It's pretty simple. Above my bed, I have this picture frame. The frame itself is from Amazon, and the picture is from Desenio.com. I'm going to show you guys my bed really quickly. It is, I think, what they call a canopy bed. I got it from Overstock.com. My mom actually found it. My rug, this one is from Amazon. Her furry rug is from Hobby Lobby. At my desk, this is basically where I edit my videos, do homework, do whatever. So right here I have a notebook and a planner. Those are just things that I use on the daily. Then I have my MacBook Air, then I have this sign here, which I'll turn on for you. It's just a light box. I purchased this one at Marshall's. And then I also back here have my mic for my voiceovers. I need to order a new one because the legs on this one broke. God, this is dusty. Ugh, I have a candle right here, again from Bath and Body Works. This is cinnamon caramel swirl. I just have this rotating pencil holder and like, you know, office supply holder basically. Then I just have a hand sanitizer here, and this plant is also from Marshall's. I have this kind of like inspo wall. It just has pictures that I really like or things that I want to accomplish. Also keep a calendar here on my wall. On the side, I just like to write like little positive things, like speak things into existence. Then I have positive mind, positive vibes, positive life. Moving on, this is where I have my vanity slash makeup area. There's a mirror that was attached to it that went here, but I detached it because I just got tired of the mirror and I couldn't hang this picture above it, which I'll get to later. I have all of my palettes, my blush palettes, everything else up here, just in this little like letter organizer thing. Then I have my makeup and these drawers, which I'm really not going to go into because it's kind of disorganized. And here I keep all of my hair products. I have travel makeup bags down here. And this is the desk. I don't remember where this came from. This lipstick organizer, which I got from the Container Store. This mirror, this used to light up, but it kept breaking like for some reason. I believe I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. Plant here is from Target. Light is from Walmart. And then this is what I keep my makeup brushes in. This is actually just a candle, like glass, like the glass from the candle that I just cleaned out and took the label off and just put my brushes in here. Then I have my Amazon Echo here, which I just use to listen to music in the morning or when I'm doing my makeup. On to where my TV is. Keep my sunglasses, like any sunglasses that I have, just kind of keep them in an area and I just grab them as I need them. I keep my different glasses case. These are for my Nikes, these are for my old glasses. So then I have this sign that I got from Marshall's. It says awesome. It's kind of like this glass thing that I have. Plant here is from Marshall's, I believe. Then I just have this record. It's a Ray Charles record that I thought was really cute just to go with the decor. My grandmother gifted this to me, so I mean, I'm sure you could go to a record store and just get a record. There's a dream catcher that I made myself. Then I have this photo, which is, again, the frame is from Amazon. The photo is from Desenio. Here is my mirror. Well, first, this is like my mirror area. Sorry, don't look at me. I look both. Okay. This print here, the frame again is from Amazon. The print is from Desenio that I got from IKEA. My whole entire room, from top to bottom.